It pays to stay active. As long as you remain active with at least 25 PSV every 30 days, the sales volume in your organization will continue to accumulate until you are eligible for commissions. Also, when you have an optional auto delivery order every 30 days, you continue to earn member reward points that you can use to order free products. Additionally, you'll receive a 5% discount on the total of your auto delivery order every month when it processes. If your account becomes inactive, your accumulated volume and member rewards points balance will be reset to 0, so stay active. Member reward points. The Member Rewards Program, MRP, is an optional monthly auto delivery rewards program that enables members to receive free product points on their monthly auto delivery purchases. All first-time orders and monthly auto delivery orders receive member reward points. For months 1 through 3, you earn 5 member reward points. Months 4 through 6, months 1 through 3, you earn 5% member reward points. Months 4 through 6, 10% member reward points. Months 7 through 9, 15% member reward points. Months 10 through 12, 20% member rewards points. Months 13 through 15, 25% member rewards points. And 16 months and over, 30% member rewards points. That means 30% of your purchase is deposited into your MRP balance or account. Terms to know. Personally generating a minimum of 25 PSV in the previous 31 days. That's active. Auto delivery. An order automatically processed the same date each month. Personal sales volume. Personal purchases plus retail sales. That concludes this section.